Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to video call on Skype. Making video calls on Skype is easy. If you want to call someone on Skype contacts, then it is absolutely free, but to call a mobile number or a landline through Skype requires Skype credits or subscriptions. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To make a video call on Skype, first go open your Skype application. Once you're in, find the person you want to call from your contact list. Tap on the contacts button located at the bottom right corner. Select your contact from the list. Once you open the contact, tap on the video button or audio button located at the upper right corner. And after doing that, you'll be able to make a video call to one of your contacts on Skype. That is how you can easily make video calls on Skype. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.